Did you know? The Banc in Mauritania is one of Africa's most important wetlands and a sanctuary for millions of migratory birds traveling between Europe, the Arctic, and West Africa. This vast coastal ecosystem, where desert dunes meet shallow turquoise waters, is home to flamingos, pelicans, broad-billed sandpipers, and one of the world's largest colonies of wintering waders. The area is also protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and co-managed with the Imraguen people, traditional fishermen who use ancient, non-motorized techniques to preserve marine life. With its rich seagrass beds and calm, nutrient-rich waters, Banc serves as a vital breeding ground for fish, dolphins, and even rare monk seals, making it one of the most biodiverse wetland systems on Earth.